Hey, wanna find profitable deals for Amazon FBA without scrolling through hundreds of listings manually? Let me show you how to use Keepa's product finder, super underrated tool for online arbitrage. First, go to keepa.com, log in, and click Product Finder under the Data tab. This thing lets you filter Amazon listings by sales rank, price drops, number of sellers, and tons more. Here's a quick setup. Set sales rank to under 100K to focus on fast movers. Set new price drop percent to at least 30%. This helps catch recent discounts. And filter Amazon out of stock. Yes, so you're not competing with Amazon. Hit search. And boom, you've got a filtered list of potential deals. Click through, check charts, and start sourcing. If you want to go way deeper into OA sourcing, definitely check out oachallenge.com. I dropped my link in the description. It's a 14 days of gold for beginner and intermediate sellers.